Hello friends, it's Kevin from Our Restoration Nation, and we wanted to let you know about something special we've got going on in Natchez, Mississippi. Now, if you don't follow us on Facebook and Instagram, first of all, go follow us on Facebook and Instagram. There's so much going on there. Lane is on there daily, giving you all kinds of tips and tricks and just fun things going on. But join us there. But if you don't, and you're only following us on YouTube, this is for you. We've got a special weekend coming up. It's called the Restoring Hope Weekend. It's in Natchez, Mississippi, August 11th and 12th, and we want you to sign up. So go over to our website at ourrestorationnation.com, and you'll see all of the events we've got going on. We've got house tours, we've got ghost tours, we've got brunches, we've got receptions. We're going to let you into our new secret project, which we won't tell you about for another 10 days or so, but we'll let you know what that is, and we're going to all take a look at it. So follow us on Instagram, Facebook, but go to our website and learn about all these great events. There's a package there that you can buy that allows you to buy everything for a reduced rate, and we really want to see you there. So find out more at ourrestorationnation.com, and we will see you August 11th and 12th.